Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to your PayPal. In previous video I've shown you how to create a PayPal account, a UK PayPal account that you can use to send and receive money from anybody and from any platform, right? And today I'm going to be showing you how to create a bank account that you can use to receive money from your PayPal directly into your bank. And as you can see on my screen here, I have been doing this for a very long time. These are all the payments that I have received from my PayPal into my bank account, and everything that I'll show you here. If you follow everything I'll show you here, you'll be able to create yours and also withdraw. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a platform that you can use to do that, and this platform is Gray. There are different platforms you can use to create pound account that you can use, that you can link to your PayPal, right? But I recommend you create a Gray account because Gray makes it very easy for you to create a pound account. There are some other platforms that will stress you a lot when you try to create a pound account, but Gray is one of the easiest that you can use. Now check the description of this video for a direct link to Gray. I'm using my laptop to do this because my phone will not allow me to record some part of the videos that are very crucial. So I'm going to be using my laptop to show you everything, but you can go directly to download the app from Play Store, create your account. If you need a code, use the code showing on your screen now, and also check the description of this video so that you can download it and use, so that you can see the code that you need to register with. Once you do that, you need to create a pound account. I've already created mine, so I won't be able to walk you through how to do that, but if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. So once you're done creating your Great British Bank account, it's going to take like a day or 2 days for them to approve your request. So once your request is approved, these are the account details you are going to be getting. So account name, account number, sort code, swift code, IBN, and some other things. What you need primarily to create the account is the account number and the sort code. Okay, so let us go to PayPal now. When you are on PayPal and you want to link your bank account, depending on the platform you are using. Since I'm using my laptop, you can see bank accounts and cards here. Shop and send money to friends or more. So you can simply click on link card or bank account. If you are using your phone, you can download the PayPal app on your phone and also use it. So I'm going to click on link card or bank account. So once this loads up, you can link a card or a bank account. All right. So if you want to link a debit or credit card, your dollar card is enough. You can link your dollar card if you want to link a card. So then link a bank account. When I click on link a bank account, it's going to bring out different banks here. All right. It's going to bring out different banks here, but the options here, the option of the bank that Gray will give you is not available here. Let us check out Gray. The name of the bank that Gray is giving me is called Clear Junction Limited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the PayPal option and just search for Clear. When you search for Clear Junction, you're going to see that it is not available. It's not among the options that are provided, right? No, there's no problem with that. Just click on link bank account manually. When you click on link bank account manually, it's going to ask you to bank account sort code and then account number. This is where you refer back to Gray and copy the sort code that Gray gave you. Just copy the sort code and paste it here under bank sort code. Pasted, right? Then you need to copy your account number that Gray gave you. Copy your account number exactly as it is, and then paste it here under account number. Submit direct debit instructions. So it's going to ask you to approve this. Submit direct debit instructions. So all you have to do is just submit direct debit instructions and agree. I'm going to click on this. And then we have sent a confirmation code to your bank account. Look for the code in your bank account activity and enter it below to confirm your account. What PayPal will do is that they will send a little amount of pound to your account, like 0.01 pound. And under the description of this transaction, they will add a code. You need this particular code in order for you to confirm your account on PayPal. So you need to return to your Gray and wait for them to send you a particular transaction. Sometimes it might take days for it to arrive, but sometimes it will just take a few minutes. So I have received this particular transaction before. So let me just search my history and see if I can find it. Let me check my deposit. I'll go to the last transaction. Look at when I received mine here. 22nd December of 2023. That was when I linked my bank account to my PayPal. So when you check on it, you are going to see under description, you're going to see PayPal code. Just take this code here. When you take this code, you take it to PayPal and you put the code here, 4-digit code, and you click on confirm. Enter the 4-digit code found next to the 0.01 pound Great British Pound deposit we sent. So when you come here, you are going to see the code. Just click on it, copy the code here, the code that you see here, copy it, go to PayPal, paste it, and confirm. Once you click on confirm, your bank will be automatically linked. And once your bank is linked, then you can use it to make transactions from your PayPal into your bank account. It is that simple. So let me check if I've received any. I've already linked this my Gray to another PayPal. So I'm not going to proceed with this transaction, but this is just to show you how it is done, okay? This is just to show you how it is done so that when you receive it, you can link your PayPal to your Gray account. Now, Gray is not the only app or platform that can give you a British Pound account, okay? Gray is not the only one. There's another platform called GeekPay. GeekPay, although they have changed their name now, but it is now called Renest, all right? This is also another platform that can give you pound account. So you can also register on this platform. I will add the link under the description of this video. One thing, the reason why I did not use Renest or GeekPay is that getting their British their pound account is very difficult. I have applied for like 3 times and they keep rejecting me each time. So if you want to use GeekPay has better exchange rate than Gray. Gray's charges is high, okay? Gray, their charges is high and their exchange rate is not so high like GeekPay. GeekPay has very low fees and also their exchange rate is higher than their exchange rate is also higher than Gray. So this is GeekPay. If you want to apply for a pounds bank account, all you have to do is to come to the country you want to create an account for. This is United States, this is Nigeria. It is created automatically for Nigeria. Then you need to go to Britain, right? Then you click on get account. Then these are their terms and conditions. Payments from unverified sources are not supported. Like I've said, that getting a pound account on Gray is quite difficult, especially if you are not directly earning from freelance platform like Upwork or others. So I'm going to click on continue to apply. What's your expected monthly income? So how much you expect to deposit into your pound account? So put it on the minimum. You can put it at less than $500 or $500 to $1,000. Upload your evidence of earning. Then you need to upload an evidence of earning like payment from any particular platform that you work on. So any particular platform you work on that you have received payment from, you can upload it here as your proof of earning, okay? So when you click on this, then you can add everything. So when you click on this, you can add your evidence of earning and you can click on continue. So follow the procedure. I am not applying for a pound account right now, but if you apply and you upload everything, then you can use it and apply for an account. If you get an account, then you can link it to your PayPal the same way I have shown you on Gray. So the same procedure with Gray, that is how you are going to link your GeekPay as well. So once you are done, then you can directly withdraw from your PayPal into your bank account here in Nigeria or any country at all. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I've already done most of those things before and I cannot link my previous accounts to this new PayPal, because if I link them, then I might get restricted. So that is why I cannot complete everything for you to see here. But if you have any questions, always endeavor to ask me in the comment section. Like I've said, it is easier for you to get a pound account on Gray than for you to get on GeekPay or Renest. So use Gray for now. and then later on, when you have the requirements, you can apply for gig pay. So that is all now, guys. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.